Good morning everyone, or magandang umaga to all of you, to my viewers and subscribers. So today, the rain just stopped, so there's a little dirt on my rosy flakes, and just sharing after this, I make a quick washing. I will feed my chicken, then work with the bonsai. So for today, I would like to share to you that in 3 years, at last, we have already the plate number of our rosy flakes. The number is the same as this what we call this temporary plate. So it is too small when I put the original plate, or the plate that is given by the LTO. It's bigger than 1 and 1/14. It's quite a big a little, but it's nice. The quality is durable, but we put a support. So for today, I just do a quick washing, then so that I can share of my bonsai materials in here. So start washing. So I'm done washing with this motorcycle, my Rusiflex. So the reason why I do a washing of this motorcycle when it was there's a little mud, because of the if I will not wash, it will stuck for a week, and it's very hard to remove them. That's why when there's a little dirt, I always do a washing so that it will maintain the beauty of the motorcycle. So since I have done, I need to put this up, then start of my bonsai work. So I need to off the motor. Then I just do my bonsai work before I let this motorcycle dry, because we're running of time in this time. So in this day, since the rain is already stopped, I have many things to do over there. So I need to put this chair here so that I can start work with my bonsai materials. We have here a tugas bato and a argo Taiwan. So just put it here. Then we have another bonsai materials here. Also a argo Taiwan. What else? So another tugas bato. There are plenty. This already 4. Then another argo Taiwan. There are plenty of what we call this in my place. There are plenty of weeds or grass around my bonsai materials in here, so we need to clean well so that it looks nice. We have another argo Taiwan. So I just want to share to you my what we call is the what is that Chinese elm that is already on the having shoot. Then it is very nice to look. So just sharing. So this is now my Chinese elm. If you can have a look of my last vlog, this is very ugly, but now it's beautiful. Although the trunk is not so big, because Chinese elm is slow growing. So we will proceed to the bonsai materials that I mentioned a while ago. It is an alien what we call alien bonsai. So this is my alien bonsai. Mostly of a person 2 feet, but this one is 3 feet. Yung paa niya 3. Then what I'm gonna do to this one is just do a flat. All surface, all the leaves in here is flat. So that is my design of this bonsai material. Just hope that this one will be prosper. For the bonsai materials that I would like to today, I will share to you this one. That is my Argao Taiwan on the driftwood, and plenty of rumble bonsai materials here, with this 2 tugas batu and 4 Argao Taiwan. So shall we start? These are all of my bonsai materials to be worked on today. So this tugas bato. The design of this one also is alien design. Sit down. And this one semi-alien design. Put it down. Also this one alien design. So I have plenty of bonsai here. That is I just made my own name like this one. So not a little alien. Then this one is my tugas bato. That is the one that I do the marketing, so that become a smaller. So today they already start. As you notice, there's a moss in the result from marketing. So just take off some unnecessary branches on this. So just do it by time lapse, so that my video will become shorter. This one, my target of this one is flat all, because I not yet made yung flat top. In the military cut pa, it's called flat top. So let's begin. So I just done working on this bonsai materials. So these are my bonsai materials. So I will make the camera forward so that it will clear. So what I'm doing? Some I got a mistake, and some it's okay. So there's I waiting some branches over here because I need this one to this side going there to make it a little balance. But I just forgot. I just cut this one. Supposed to be this. They will be been on that side. So maybe it is taghana. Ganyan na lang ang itsura niya. So it's okay naman, the look of this bonsai. So this is my tugas bato bonsai materials. I get the material of this is by marketing. As you can see, there's still a moss under here. So this is this is naman, this bonsai material is a result from a marketing. So this is a tugas bato bonsai materials. So follow next. This one here, this is Argao Taiwan bonsai materials. This is I dig this because I just plant this as a wild. Then I dig, then put in a small pot. Then I cut shorter so that it become a small bonsai material. So this is Argao Taiwan. We have another one here. I just trim it. So this is Argao Taiwan also. So what I'm going to do this one, because it just only about this 1, 2, 3, 4. So supposed to be up to 5, but it happened the history of this one nabali, or the trunk of going up to count of 5 for another branch is damaged. So this is supposed to be here, this area here, then you have a last trunk, so that it will be count into 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, but it's make an accident while still in the ground. So this is Argao Taiwan Bonsai Materials. Follow next. This is Argao Taiwan still. Then my target of this one is exposed growth, but the problem is too tall or too wonky. So what I did, I found a drip pod with this what we call the bantigi. So I just tie a rag up to on the tip, on the bottom from the top, or the top of the tip, what it calls that in English. So it happened, it's very weak, as you can see, not yet ready. That's why I put a stone in here so that it will not collapse. So this is my Argao Taiwan Bonsai Materials. So again, I'm very sorry for my English, because I'm not so particular in speaking English. Our language there is a difference, and I am not an American. So this one is also Argao Taiwan. So the history of this one is supposed to be, this one is straight. When I discover it, it's not nice, because I have already some Argao Taiwan that is straight exposed rope. What I did, I tie the rope with bonsai wire and bent like this, so that's why it become like this. So in making a bonsai, it's very hard, especially if you just make your own design like this one. Yeah, I am the one making on this design. So another for the last one, I just hope that my video is not so long, it's enough. So this one here is my tugas bato. I designed this one for an alien style. Therefore exposed root there under, then all the leaves will come out easier with the flat top. Then after this other apex of mine will go another flat top in the top. So this is it. So that is all about my bonsai materials that I have worked for today. Bonsai materials that I have worked for today. So after this, I will go to my room and have an edit on this video so that I can post on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you all, to all of my viewers, subscribers, and friends. So bye bye.